Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is Swing Saving Lives. ये आर्टिकल आपका कोविड-19 से रिलेटेड है। आप लोगों को पता है कि सेकंड वेव आ गई है और काफ़ी सारी डेथ देखने को मिल रही है हमें, और काफ़ी सारे इसमें आपको जैसे न्यू केसेस भी आ रहे हैं। इसलिए ये आर्टिकल हमारा काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट आर्टिकल है, इसलिए आप इसको रीडिंग भी करें प्लस इसकी आपको डिक्टेशन भी करें। ओके, चलिए हेडिंग क्या बोल रही है देखते हैं। इंडिया मस्ट क्विकली इम्प्रूव हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज़। इंडिया को ज़रूरत है हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज़ को इम्प्रूव करने की, टू बी एबल टू प्रिवेंट, ताकि डेथ को प्रिवेंट कर सके यानी कि रोक सके। यह आर्टिकल आपका 100 वर्ड पर मिनट की इसकी डिक्टेशन दी जाएगी। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। After painfully negotiating numerous hurdles during the first wave that peaked in mid-September last year, India appears to have learned little as a more ferocious second wave is ravaging the country. Precious time was wasted before critical facilities began to be scaled up to meet the demands of the second wave that is accelerating at an unprecedented pace, leading to healthcare facilities being overwhelmed. The number of deaths shows a sharp growth of 10.2%, a mad scramble for hospital beds, oxygen, medicines, vaccines, and even a quick funeral are witnessed in many cities. If the mindless rush for convalescent plasma and hydroxychloroquine, even in the absence of any evidence of benefit, was seen last year, there is now hysteria to get remdesivir for hospitalized patients, leading to drug shortages. Though a small trial did show that the drug shortened the time to recovery, the World Health Organization's large solidarity trial found no evidence of its benefit in reducing mortality, initiation of ventilation, or substantial reduction in the time to recovery. Being an intravenous injection, remdesivir can be administered only in hospital settings, and any benefit might be seen only in moderately sick patients. Due to an acute shortage of beds, the disease in most patients is often severe at the time of admission. The Health Ministry's July 2020 COVID 19 clinical management protocol does suggest that remdesivir may be considered in patients with moderate disease, but steroids such as dexamethasone may be better at helping patients on oxygen support or on ventilator support from progressing to respiratory failure and death. The first wave in India and elsewhere clearly highlighted and weaknesses in health delivery. Yet, nearly a year after hospitals were stretched beyond capacity and beds and medical oxygen supplies were in short supply, no attempts have been made either by state or union governments no significantly augment medical oxygen supplies. According to reports, the union government took 8 months to initiate steps to build oxygen generation plants that will reduce the reliance on pressurized liquid oxygen. Of the 162 plants approved, only 33 have been installed. The health ministry tweeted large buildings converted into temporary hospitals without necessary oxygen supplies to individual beds and sufficient care workers can at the best serve as isolation centers. despite private health facilities playing only a minor role in treating COVID 19 patients. Last year, Niti Aayog in a 2021 report sees it as a priority to get private players to invest and expand in Tier 2 and Tier 3 locations, with the various unlikely to be eliminated in the near future being bettered prepared with vaccines and healthcare facilities will be prudent way to save lives, full stop.